This is section B of PLSC year 9 at Excel May 2016 paper. Question number is section B. Question number 31, part A. Expand means remove the bracket. So 5 is going to multiply by 3 and 5 is going to multiply by 7. So it will be 5 multiply 3f plus 5 multiply 7. So you can see we have 3f plus 7 here, and we just multiplied by 5. So it will be 15f plus 35. So the answer is 15f plus 35. Part B is solve means you have to write what is k equal to. So we have 4k minus 7 is equal to 28. Remove this 7, this is minus 7. If I add 7 here and I add 7 here, or I can write 4k is equal to 28. This is minus 7, so it is plus 7. This cancel, so 4k is equal to 35. Divide both sides by 4. So the k is 35 over 4. That is the answer. Next part is expand and simplify. So these are 2 terms and these are 2 terms. If we multiply, we'll get 4 terms. How? X multiply by x and x multiply by 4. X multiply x and plus x multiply minus 4. Now 3 multiply x plus 3 multiply x and 3 multiply minus 4 and 3 multiply by minus 4. This is x square and this is minus 12. This is minus 4x and this is plus 3x. It is same like saying minus 4 plus 3x. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1x. So this is minus x. So this is how we expand and simplify. So that is the answer. Question number 32. Look at the grid below. What is the coordinate of A? A is here. To check the coordinate, first we check x-axis. You can call it run, and then we check y-axis, rise. So this is run and this is rise. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So first we check this. So this is 2 and this one is 3. This is we check first and this is we check second. Same if we draw 4 means run 4. 1 2 3 4. Then 0, no movement. So this is the point. So this is point B and this is the coordinate of point A. Now to calculate the mean, you add all the numbers and divide it by the, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 9 and 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 6 plus this is 27 plus 4, 31 over 5. So the answer is 31 over 5 is the mean of these numbers. Part 2 is estimate of the mean. Now you have to also find the mean. So when it is a group table, group means when it is not number is given, it's the range of the numbers is given. So you have to find sigma fx over sigma f. Sigma f is total number of people, it is here, x is the midpoint of this, so this is 10 t 12, 10 11 12, so middle number is 11. Multiply by the middle number. This is 13, this is 15, this is 17, and this one is 19. If you multiply by the middle number, this is called x and this is f. If you multiply, this is called fx. So this is 396, 1291, 825, 25 into 17 is 425, and this one is 285. So fx is this, and sigma fx means the sum of all. So that is 3192. This is f, and sigma f is, you add 39, 97, 55, 25. In most of the cases it is given here by total number of people, that is 228. So the mean will be 3192 over 228. So mean is equal to 14. So that is the answer. Mean is 14. Question number 34, part A. Write 126 as a product of its prime factors. So prime factors, we divide it by first 2, that is 6 times 2 is 12 and 6 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. It cannot be divided by 2, so we have to divide by 3. 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 1 is 3. By 3. 3 times 7 is 21. By 7. So its factors are 2. These are the prime factors. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply. When question says product of prime factors, you have to write it like this. If it says find factors, now the factor is 1, 126, then 2, 63, then 3, 21. So these are the factors, and these are the product of the prime factors. That is the difference. Find HCF. HCF is the same way we can find HCF and LCM, 48 and 64. Here 2 is a common factor. Is one number only. Now let's see this one. We have to find the common factor. For example, 2. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. Again 2. 2 times 12 is 24 and 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 6 is 12. Again by 2. 2 times 6 is 12 and 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 4 is 8. Now up to here 2 was dividing 48 and 64. 2 was dividing 24 and 32. 2 was dividing 12 and 16. 2 divided 6 and 8. Now there is no number which is a common. No common factor here. After factor stops here. So our answer is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So that is 16. In the previous paper I told you there is another method to find HCF. Just subtract 64 minus 48. You will get 16. 16 may or may not be but any number less than this. Now we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Keep dividing it, and where they are going to divide both the numbers, that is the HCF. Fortunately here you can straight away write 16 as your answer. Now for the LCM, we have the numbers 9, 15 and 24. Now lowest common multiple, so you can, we are not checking the factors, we are checking the multiple. So multiple is always bigger than these numbers, although it is a lowest, but it is a big number. HCF is a highest, but it is a small number. So let's divide by 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3, 5 and 8. By 5, 1, 1 and 8, and straight away without wasting time we can write 1 here because there is no other number. So our LCM is 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 8. Eight times 5 is 40, times 9 is 36. So LCM is 360 is the LCM. There are so many methods to solve this, but when we have a reflection in this mirror, and that is we make it a y-axis and this is x-axis, we are going to write all this y as same. Y coordinate will remain same, 3, 4, 0 and 1, and we'll change the sign of x coordinate. This is -1, this I'll make 2, and this I'll make 3. 3, 3. This I made the coordinate, the x coordinate and the y coordinate. 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one, -1 and 4. -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 2 and 0. 1, 2. 2 and 0. Then 3 and 1. 1, 2, 3 and 1. So now let me join this. So this is the reflection in this coordinate. Make sure you use the ruler to draw this. Question number 36. A rectangular garden has a length of 8 meters and a width of 6 meters. So let's say this is the garden. This is 6 meters. This is 8 meters. This is 8 meters, and this is 6 meters. The garden has a rectangular pond with a length of 3 meters and 2 meters. Say this is 2 meters, this is 2 meters, and this is 3 meters. The rest of the garden is covered with, let's assume that this area is covered with the grass. Find the area of the garden that is covered with the grass. Now the bigger area is 8 times 6. That is the bigger area. That is 48 meters square. Now the smaller area is 3 times 2. That is 6. So you subtract it. So that will be 42 meters square. So that is, your answer will be 42. A cuboid of volume 28 meter cube has a length 8 meter, width 5 meter. Find the height of the cuboid. So if this is a cuboid, so length is 8, this is 8, width is 5. Find the height. Let's say this is the height. We know that the volume of a cuboid is length, width and height. Now height is not given, but the volume is given 28. So 28 is equal to length is 8 and width is 5, multiply h. In fact, you can use directly this formula. If one side is not given, you can just write the volume, that is 28, over remaining two sides, 8 multiply 5. So that is 28 over 40. So the h will be 28 over 40 will be 28 divide 40. That is 0.7. You must state your unit. Don't forget to write meters. So that is the answer. This is an arithmetic sequence. So in arithmetic sequence, the difference is same. 11 minus 14. Now it's decreasing, so common difference will be negative. 8 minus this is minus 3. 5 minus 8 minus 3. 2 minus 5 minus